This is the video for Math 8.5, and our learning target is to be able to solve inequalities. We'll talk about what an inequality is in just a second. Solve inequalities using mental math. We know what mental math is. We just kind of, in our head, we use numbers to put them together to see which ones work out. And the guess, check, and revise strategy. Guess check is just where you say, I'm going to just guess this one, put it in, check it. If it doesn't work, I revise based on what I know and try again. Okay? So the biggest thing here is that we're solving inequalities. That's our learning target. Solve inequalities using mental math and the guess, check, and revise strategy. Now, first thing we need to define is inequality. So right here I have inequality. What is it? It's a mathematical sentence, which is a big way of just saying it's a math problem. It's a mathematical sentence. Has a beginning and an end. A mathematical sentence indicating or showing or stating that two qualities, so I have one quality here and one quality here, are not equal. Okay? If you have an equality, you're going to see something that has the equal sign. When you have an inequality, you're going to have something that shows the less than or greater than sign. This shows you have an inequality. Something is less than something else, or something is greater than something else. Inequality, not equal. Okay? So, we have this mathematical sentence right here. It's n minus 3 is greater than 6. Now, one thing you need to know with inequalities, there are infinite number of solutions. So not just one. When you have an inequality, if this was an equal sign, there's only one possibility that n can be. But because this is an inequality, you can have tons and tons and unlimited numbers that are greater than 6. So n could be all sorts of things. But there's also things that n can't be. Anything that n is to make this side less than 6 won't work. Or equal to 6 won't work. So say I have say I have, 9. Well, let's do it. They've given us 3 choices, or I've given you 3 choices. We have an 8, a 9, or a 10. I know that I'm subtracting something, so I'm going to start at the high end. And then I'm just going to guess, check, and revise if I need to. So I'm going to take this 10 over here. I'm going to say that's n. 10 minus 3 greater than 6. Now I just solve this part here. 7. Is 7 greater than 6? Yeah, 7's more than 6. Excellent. So I'm going to circle that one as a correct solution to this mathematical sentence. Now, maybe there's more than one that works. I'm going to try 9. 9 minus 3 greater than 6. 9 minus 3 is 6. Is 6 greater than 6? No, 6 isn't greater than 6. It's equal. If I have 6 of something, I don't have more than if I have 6 of something. I have the same. So this does not work. So 9 does not work. Now, if I go to 8, I know 8 minus 3 is 5. I'm going down. I'm getting smaller and smaller. I need to get greater than 6. So I know right away that 8 is not going to work. So out of those 3 choices, 10 is the solution that works in there. Okay? I just put them in, I guessed and checked, and I got my correct answer. Okay, let's go over. We'll do 2 more. And I want to show you one important thing about symbols. Okay, and this one, I'm just asking, is this good or not? So this is going to be a yes or no. Okay. If I have a plus 7 greater than 15, is 9 a solution? All we got to do is plug it in. Let's see. So I say put 9 here. 9 plus 7 greater than 15. I solve it. 9 plus 7 is 16. Is 16 greater than 5? Yeah, 16 is more than 5. So yes. 9, A9 is a solution. It's not the only one. There could be other ones. I imagine I could use 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 is going to be more than 15. But it's just saying, is 9 a solution? And it is. All right, let's go to this one. 22. Now let's look at this symbol for a second. Okay, I know that this is less than and this is greater than. But if you have a line under it, if I kind of go like that, it looks like equals. Okay? So what this is saying, less than or equal. And this one's saying greater than or equal. All right. So it means that it could be something exactly or more or less, depending on what the symbol is. Okay, in this one, I have 22. 22 is less than or equal to 15 plus b. Now, if I get something on this side that's exactly 22, then I'm good because it can be equal. The only thing this can't be 21 or less. It has to be 22 or more. Okay? So let's see. It's saying B is 6. 22 is less than or equal to 15 plus 6. So the 22 comes down here. Less than or equal. 15 plus 6 is 21. Is 22 less than 21? No. Is 22 equal to 21? No. Not gonna work. Okay? But let's make one that does work. How about we put 7 in there? So instead of 6, we have 7. 15 plus 7 is 22. Now, we ask ourselves 2 questions. If one of the questions is yes, then it means it works. 22. Is 22 less than 22? No, not less than. Is 22 equal to 22? Yes. So I got a no on the less than, and I got a yes on the equal. So 7 would work. Okay? If this was 8, that'd be 23. Now, is 22 less than 23? Yes. Is 23 equal to 22 equal to 23? No. But because I got one yes on that, it has to just work with one of them. It has to be either the inequality or the equal. So when you see a sign like this, you ask yourself 2 questions. Is this less than this? Yes or no? Is this equal to this? Yes or no? If you get one yes, it's all good. But if you get 2 no's, not good. Is this number greater than this? Yes or no? Is this number equal to this? Yes or no? Okay? So we'll deal more with this symbol coming up, especially when you graph it. There's a special way that you have to make sure you include the number that it's equal to. All right? So that is how you solve inequalities. And you can use the mental math idea or the guess, check, and revise strategy. So go ahead and watch the guided practice and then see what you can do with the independent practice and the rest of this lesson.